Hello students, today we are going to start our next chapter, Force and Laws of Motion. So first of all, in this chapter we will discuss about the force. So what is force? Exactly, force is push or pull on a body. What is push or pull? Suppose you are in the room, you have to close the door. When you will close the door, you will push it. And if you will open the door, you are in the room and you have to open the door, then you will pull it. So this push and pull is called the force. Exactly, force is the external effort done by us. So what we are doing from ourselves, that is called a force. To move any body, some external efforts are done by us. So those external efforts are in the form of push or pull. So that is called a force. First example clear, that if you are in the room, when you will close the door, it means you will push it, and when you will open the door, you will pull it. So this push and pull is called a force. Suppose you have to move a table. To move a table, some external efforts will be done by you. So those external efforts are called force. If you are playing with the football, you will kick to the football. So that is also you are applying a force. When you will open the drawer, then also you are applying the force on that drawer. So next we will discuss about the direction of a force. So what is the direction of a force? The direction in which a body is pushed or pulled is called the direction of force. So suppose beta, when you will push to the door, so that will be the direction of force, in which direction you will push the door. So that is called the direction of the force. If any object we are moving, it is moving away from us, that will be the direction of the force. And if it is coming towards us, that will be then it will be also direction of a force.